Hello everyone, thank you for opportunity to present our work. The title of the paper is Reducing Food Waste in School Feeding Program Through the Integration of Artificial Intelligence, Ration, Action, and Expected Agenda. My name is Muhammad Salman Al-Farizi, and this work is CO authored with Fauzan Romadlon and Dodi Zulherman from the Industrial Engineering Department at Telkom University, Purwokerto Campus, Indonesia. This study systematically review recent action in AI-enabled food waste reduction and propose an expected agenda for future research and practice. So, why this topic matters and what we will cover today. Food waste in school feeding program is a persistent and costly problem. Multiple studies report that 30% or more of the food served goes uneaten. This has direct consequence for environmental sustainability, food security, and the operating cost efficiency of feeding program. At the same time, I offer a promising data-driven way to detect and reduce this waste in real time, something that was not practically feasible even a few years ago. Today's presentation is organized into 5 parts: introduction, methodology, result, discussion, and conclusion. Under introduction, I will cover our research motivation, background, and research gap and objective. Methodology present our process-based systematic literature review. Result highlight the 3 major research themes we found. Discussion cover the research synthesis, our proposed ISFEF framework, and the research contribution. And finally, conclusion wraps up with our key takeaways and future work. Now, let's look at the research gap. Let's look at the main point of this study, from what we currently observe to what we still don't know, and finally to what we set out to do. First, the current condition. School feeding programs are effective at improving children nutrition access, but they also generate substantial plate waste in the range of 20 to 30% or more of food served. Second, the research gap. Existing studies have successfully improved food waste management through AI technologies, behavior intervention, or sustainability strategy, but each on its own. This approach remains fragmented and they fail to connect student behavior, AI monitoring, and operational decision-making within a continuous feedback loop. This leads directly to our question: what is the role of AI-based technology in school feeding program in reducing food waste? And our objective follow naturally to systematically review this gap in AI-based technology used for reducing food waste in school feeding program. To answer this question, we conducted a systematic literature review, which I'll describe next. To answer our research question, we used the ROSES protocol, a structured, transparent approach for systematic literature review. We searched 3 databases: Scopus, ScienceDirect, and Google Scholar, covering publication from 2021 to 2025 in English. The initial search produced 2,357 records. After removing duplicate and screening title and abstract, we exclude items published before 2021, books, review paper, and studies not relevant to our topic. We then assess 520 paper for full text eligibility, applying for exclusion criteria, for example, excluding studies that didn't address food waste in school food system, or that didn't touch on behavioral factor or application. The research process left us with 22 studies for final thematic synthesis. We found 3 main themes from these 22 studies. Let's look at them one by one. Our synthesis of the 22 selected studies converge on 3 major themes. The first theme is food waste and sustainability, covering environmental and operational impact and sustainable menu planning and procurement optimization. 5 studies fall under this theme. The second theme is food waste behavior, examining the emotional, social, and educational factors that shape whether a child finishes their plate or not. This was the research theme, with 9 studies. The third theme is AI-based monitoring, covering computer vision, IoT sensor, and predictive analytics that enable real-time automated detection of food waste. 8 studies fall here. Each time is valuable on its own, but our synthesis reveal how they relate or fail to relate to one another. When we look across these 3 themes together, a clear pattern emerges. Sustainability studies tend to optimize menu and kitchen operation in isolation without connecting to real consumption data. Behavioral intervention succeed at raising awareness, but that awareness rarely translates into sustained long-term reduction in waste. And AI-based tools can detect waste very accurately, but on their own, they are no link to behavioral data or to actual kitchen decision making. In short, three is no link connecting consumption data, AI output, and operational response. That missing link is exactly the fragmentation our research respond to. Integration is needed in the form of a closed-loop framework. This fragmentation is exactly the gap our proposed framework is designed to close. Now I will introduce our main contribution, the Integrated Smart Food Ecosystem Framework, or ISFEF, a closed-loop architecture linked to behavior data, kitchen operation, and AI-based analytics into one continuous feedback system. Let me walk you through the 7 stages of this cycle. First is planning, where the menu is designed and food portions are prepared. The second stage is serving, when the food is given to the student before student eat. AI monitoring use computer vision and IoT to collect data about the food and portion size. The next stage is behavior, student preference, emotion, habit, and social influence affect how much food they eat or leave. After the meal, AI monitoring is used again to detect leftover and measure the amount of food waste. This data is then used by AI-based decision support to provide recommendations, such as changing portion size or menu choice. Finally, this recommendation lead to improvement in planning and operation. Then the purpose return to first stage and the cycle start again. This integrated design help our research go beyond previous studies. Our research makes six main contributions. Let me explain them briefly. Scientifically, it synthesized 22 studies across 3 previously disconnected research standards into one coherent picture. On the AI side, it coupled computer vision and IoT monitoring technology with predictive, data-driven support, not just detection, but action. For sustainability, it directly links food waste reduction to institutional sustainability goals, giving program manager a clearer line of sight between daily operation and long-term outcomes. Practically, it's offer an actionable set of key performance indicators the real kitchen could use for deployment. Academically, it's extend the food system literature toward closed-loop, feedback-driven design rather than on-off intervention. And managerially, it supports evidence-based decision-making for the people who actually run school feeding program day to day. Let's close with our key conclusion and future agenda the research open ups. To conclude, we synthesized 22 studies across sustainability, behavior, and AI monitoring, and found that existing efforts remain fragmented without any shared feedback mechanism connecting them. In response, we proposed ISFEF and integrated closed-loop framework connecting AI monitoring, behavioral data, and kitchen operation. It's important to be transparent that, as a conceptual framework derived from literature synthesis, ISFEF has not yet been empirically validated in a real setting. That leads to our future agenda, piloting ISFEF in real school kitchen, empirically validating its key performance indicator and AI monitoring accuracy, and testing it across different contexts, including school feeding program in developing countries, where resource constraints may require adapted, lower-cost implementation. Thank you very much for your attention. We hope this review and the ISFEF framework can serve as a starting point for a more integrated, data-driven solution to food waste in school feeding program, and that future collaboration can help bring this framework from concept into real practice.